Tell us what's happening today, honey.
Well, Valley Roof Removal is up here, and they just started, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes ago. They're probably going to have this roof completely stripped in under an hour. So, yeah, they're making short work of it. But, you know, when you got like 10 guys, and obviously these guys are real pros, it's what they do every day. They rolled out their tarps and got right to work. So, but because we have thunderstorms forecast for tomorrow and Monday, we're having to put the plastic back down on the roof as a safeguard. You don't know if it's going to rain or not.
Of course. No rain predicted for, I don't know, 1,600 days this side of Wednesday. But yeah, this weekend, thunderstorms. 20% chance. So, we're going to ask the guys if they can put the plastic back on. But they are, again, making super quick work of this.